The Sukhoi S-17 Okhotnik-B, nicknamed Hunter, is a stealth, unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Russian company Sukhoi. This attack drone made its first flight in 2019 and can reach speeds up to 1,000 km per hour, operating at altitude up to 10,000 meters, while covering distance up to 6,000 kilometers. It is equipped with the electro-optical infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and electronic intelligence system for reconnaissance and targeting capabilities, and can fully coordinate with the Su-57 fighter jet. The TAI Aksungur is a made UAV developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries. It is designed for various tasks including ISR missions and offensive operations. Its first flight occurred in 2019 with a service ceiling of 40,000 feet and flight endurance up to 50 hours, without munitions, or approximately 12 hours with munitions. It used two PD-117 turbocharged diesel engines that each produce about 117 horsepower. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance attack drone developed by Baykar in Turkey, designed for ISR missions as well as offensive operations. It made its first flight in 2014 and entered mass production with around 600 units built. This aircraft uses an internal combustion engine and can fly at a maximum speed of 120 knots, reaching an altitude up to 27,000. The Skydweller Aero Company is developing large unmanned solar-powered aircraft that utilize solar energy for flying operations, with wingspans larger than that of a Boeing 747 and constructed from carbon fiber for steering and lightweight. These aircraft are capable of long-duration flights suitable for environmental monitoring, national security, and other applications requiring extended flight times. The Volocopter Velocity is an eVTOL aircraft designed by the German company Volocopter GmbH for use as an air taxi. It is equipped with 16 electric motors and can cover a distance of 22 miles at a maximum speed of 68 miles per hour. EHang 216 is an eVTOL aircraft developed by the Chinese company EHang. Designed for urban transportation, it can function as an air taxi among other applications. It features 60 electric motors connected to coaxial blades that enhance its efficiency. EHang 216 can travel a maximum distance of 22 miles on a single charge within a flight time of 21 minutes, with a service ceiling of 9,843 feet and a maximum speed of 99 miles per hour. The Lilium Jet is an electric aircraft developed by the German company Lilium GmbH, capable of vertical takeoff and landing. Its mission is urban transportation equipped with 36 electric motors that allow it to cover a distance of 186 miles on a single charge at a speed ranging from 116 to 190 miles per hour. Archer Aviation has two projects under development named Maker and Midnight. Maker was unveiled in 2021 and features 12 electric propellers, 6 of which are tilting for forward flight, while the other 6 are fixed for vertical takeoff and landing. Maker can carry 2 passengers over a distance of 60 miles at a maximum speed of 150 miles per hour. The Midnight aircraft was introduced after the successful development of Maker and is designed for air taxi services, accommodating 5 passengers for short trips up to 20 miles, expected to enter service in 2025. Joby Aviation is developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft aimed at urban transportation. The aircraft have a flight range of 150 miles and can travel at a speed of 200 miles per hour, serving as air taxis. Joby Aviation's partners in this project include Uber and the US Air Force. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Boeing Australia. This aircraft has a range of 2,000 miles and is used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The Ghost Bat utilizes artificial intelligence to communicate with other manned aircraft such as the FA-18 Super Hornet. The first flight of the MQ-28 took place in February 2021 and it's expected to become operational in 2025, joining the Royal Australian Air Force.